Okay guys, we're going to take off the 2008 F250 Wiper Motor and install the new one. So the first thing we're going to do is you want to take the cowl off, and there's these clips right here under the engine bay. You pop them out with a screwdriver, and then you got these controllable links that attach here and here. And this one goes on top, and you take it off first, off the old motor, and you pop it off right here by the end with a screwdriver. And then you want to unplug the old one with the cable right here first. And then after you get this linkage off, you pop it back on like that with the new motor in, and slap the cowl back on, and those are the steps. All right, that's a 2008 F250 Super Duty Wiper Motor exchange. This is all the linkage, and this comes off with the screwdriver, and this little piece comes off, and you just slap your new motor in with your 3 bolts right there. 1, 2, and then 3. That should do it. Talk to you next time.